Hi, my name is Adam Hanif, and today I'm gonna present the seed development. But first, let me show the definition of seed. So, seed is a small embryonic plant enclosed in a covering called seed coat, usually with some store food, or a seed is a fertilized ovule containing the plant embryo. Next is the definition of seed germination. Seed germination may be defined as the fundamental process by which different plant species grow from a single seed into a plant under the right growing condition. There are two right growing conditions that affect seed development, namely external factors and internal factors. External factors means the environment in the seed area, such as right temperature, water, oxygen or air, and light or darkness. Meanwhile, the internal area are presence of oxygen, reserve food, completion of dormancy, and viability of seed. Okay, so these are five stages of seed development, namely imbibition of water, emergence of radicle, growth of plumule, rupture of seed coat and emergence of cotyledons, and lastly, embryo exits into seedling. So the first one is imbibition of water. In this process, the seed coats begin to split with the tegment. This can happen because of the presence of water in the testa, which cause the testa to become softer and easier to come off with the tegment. The second process is emergence of radicle. Radicle is the region of the embryo. Radicle also the first to emerge from the seed during germination that eventually to the formation of roots. And take root hair takes water and minerals in the soil. The third process is growth of plumule. After the roots germination in the soil, now plumule grow on the surface. The plumule is the part of embryo. The main function of plumule eventually shoot with vegetative parts like leaf and stems. Oxygen is required for aerobic respiration. The fourth process is rupture seed coat and emergence of cotyledon. In this process, the seed coat has begun split completely and the cotyledons begin to appear. Cotyledon is the embryonic leaf in the seed which occupies most of the space in the seed. It also provides nutrients and protection. So we move to the last step is development of embryo exists into seedling. The embryo is the part of the seed and is protected within the seeds by various structure like endosperm and seed coat. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue of the seed. The embryo exists contain other structure like plumule, radicle, hypocotyl, and epicotyl that eventually lead to the formation of a new plant by embryogenesis. That's all for me. Thank you, and yeah, see you again.